Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Riley, and I got some new fidgets. So yeah. I don't know if I already showed you this, but whatever. So yeah, before I show you, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, on the video. So the first one I got is this little puppet. It's tie-dye, teal. This is the loud side. This is the quiet side. So actually both sides are pretty loud. And this puppet is really good. And it has one of these on it. It's really good. Yeah. Definitely get this an 8 out of 10. Yeah. I have another one like this, blue. I'll show you. See? Same. Yeah. Then I got this pineapple puppet. This is my first pineapple puppet. Other pineapple puppets are really popular. This is the quiet side. This is the loud side. Yeah. I like this puppet. It has little pineapples on it, if you're able to see. And then, yeah, so I really like this puppet, but it's definitely not my favorite. Oh wait. Okay. So yeah, definitely like this one. Probably like a 7 out of 10. Oh, and I got all of these from a trade. Anyways, back to this, and then this is. So this is my Among Us dimple. It's really good. This is the loud side. This is the quiet side. And this is the quiet side. Loud side. So this pop dimple is like so good. Really nice. Has a great pop to it. Give this a 9 out of 10. Then, I don't know if I already showed you this, but it's this green heart puppet. I don't know if I showed you it yet, but I think I did or not. So, this is the popping noise. This is the quiet side. So, this is loud side. I have like letters on it. So I definitely give this puppet 10 out of 10. I love it. Got this one trade too. So those are all the fidgets. I got so yeah. So yeah. You guys like this video? Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah. But I might be doing a video of my Halloween costume, because I got a Halloween costume already.